We're gonna. Your petcock is in off position.
Yeah.
We're gonna open up to see if there's any fuel in it at all.
Okay.
Just open this up. If there's anything, it's gonna drain. There you go. So you got fuel in there.
Yeah.
Not much. Okay, that's good. Next, the fuel comes from the petcock all the way to the fuel line. Here,
Yeah.
we're gonna take that off. Pull it off. You got that. All right. You know. Take the carburetor cleaner. We're gonna fill the whole thing up with carburetor cleaner. Cleans it. Take a few minutes. It's going to go through the jets and stuff like that as we clean it, right? Direct. So this is pretty something you can do periodically.
Okay, good.
And I got that petcock. I got this valve open up just so it can bleed. And I'm going to turn it off. And we'll let it. So whatever gunk was in there, it just kind of like ate it up a little bit. We'll throw it back up. And this should usually work. Nothing's ever guaranteed, but I don't have my finger on this full. I just have it just enough to where it doesn't spill out as much.
Okay.
Otherwise it'd be like, it might just. Spray a little carburetor cleaner around it. Get some of the gunk off of it. Loosens up all the dirt around this thing.
So it just dissolves things in there?
Yeah. This is it'll eat gas.
Wow.
It'll chew the varnish up. All right. So now what we can do is this. Easier and better.
Mm-hmm.
When I think about all the amazing things that have happened right here under this roof, it's a very humbling experience. Being here tonight means an incredible amount to all of us in the band and all the people that have helped us to get to where we are and to do what we love to do. Thanks to each and every one of
Those
you.
clamps are so much better because it keeps the dirt, any some type of air out.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's plug it in.